Hi, we are the SAFE2 team at KAIST. We present our tool SAFE2, a playground for advanced research in JavaScript web applications. JavaScript has become the language for web applications, but they are often vulnerable to programmer errors. So, various JavaScript analyzers are developed to detect such errors. However, it is not easy to experiment with such analyzers because analyzer developers want to configure existing analysis techniques easily, add new techniques easily, and debug their implementation easily. To help them easily experiment with analysis techniques, SAFE2 supports three main features: Plugability, extensibility, and debugability. Let's take a closer look at them one by one. The first one is Plugability. There are various analysis techniques in the world, such as abstract domains and analysis sensitivities. Analyzer developers may want to select those techniques and to configure them freely. But current analyzers support only fixed analysis techniques or change them with recompilation of analyzers. However, SAFE2 supports JSON format configuration of such techniques, so we can easily change the techniques at runtime. For example, we can analyze sample.js with the default option. Or, instead of using the default number domain, we can analyze it using a flat number domain without recompilation of SAFE2. The second one is extensibility. SAFE2 supports not only an easy way to configure existing techniques, but also a way to add new techniques or to extend existing techniques. SAFE2 supports such an extensibility via phases and options. By composing phases, it provides various commands such as parse, compile, and analyze. Let's take a closer look at the analyze command. The analyze command consists of 4 phases. Each phase can be configured by various options. For example, the analyze phase has options to select analysis techniques. We can add a new technique by adding a new phase or a new option. Let's see how easily we can add new techniques with a new phase and a new option. First, we can add a bug detector described in this paper to SAFE2 by adding a new phase. We first add a new phase after the analyze command because it uses the analysis results. Simply adding basic information like name is enough to make a new phase. And then, we implement the technique by receiving the result of the previous phase, and that's it. Now, we can detect 2 bugs in this simplified Wikipedia. Actually, the second bug is a false alarm. We'd like to eliminate it. Luckily, we can eliminate it by applying the technique in this paper that utilizes dynamic information. We can use this technique by adding an option to the analyzer phase. Simply adding 3 pieces of basic information is enough to add a new option: name, type, and meaning. Moreover, 3 lines of code is enough to apply the technique because SAFE2 provides APIs that parse, abstract, and join their dynamic information. Let's analyze the same Wikipedia once again. Now, with this new option, the bug detector does not report the false alarm anymore. The last one is debugability. SAFE2 helps users easily test and debug analysis results with tests using test262 and the HTML debugger. Let's assume that we want to add a flat number domain to SAFE2. We can test this new abstract domain. Let's try it. Our tests help researchers check the soundness and precision of their new analysis implementation. Oh, there are 14 failures. What did we do wrong? Let's debug the analysis with the new domain. The HTML debugger enables users to investigate analysis results from browsers interactively. The debugger shows the control flow graph of the application. Reachable nodes are in black and unreachable nodes are in gray. Also, if you click a node, the instructions and the analysis result of the node appears at the left column. Oh, the analysis result is wrong. Let's fix it. And test it again. This time it passed all the tests and we are done. We presented SAFE2, a playground for analysis developers to easily experiment with their novel ideas. It allows users to select various analysis techniques at runtime. Analyzer developers can add new techniques easily, and they can test and debug their implementation conveniently. SAFE2 is open to the public, and we are more than happy to work with external collaborators. Come and enjoy SAFE2!